Let's see how you can easily send automated messages when someone actually reply to Instagram stories. For example, you can actually ask them to DM a specific keyword through the Instagram stories, and then you can actually provide them with specific product links or any other lead magnets as well. So here, let's see how to achieve this one right here. So here I'm in a demo account, and here we have connected all the support channels like Facebook page, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, SMS, Telegram, and other channels too. But if you want to build any sort of automations on the Instagram, you have to first connect your Instagram account right here. So you can easily do that by going through the channels option over here. So if you click on channels, it will take you directly to settings channels right here, and you will need to simply log in with your Instagram account and connect it. So if you're wondering how, click on learn more, and here we have the step-by-step guide on how the Instagram connection works. So connect, and then you'll be asked to log in with your Instagram account and make sure you allow all these permissions, and then simply connect it. So it will take just a few seconds for you to connect your Instagram account on Chatic Media platform. So once it is done, you can actually build any sort of automations on Instagram. So here we have already connected this demo Chatic Media page, so we can actually build any sort of automations right here. So regarding the Instagram stories automation, you can simply find it through the marketing tools. So if you go to the marketing tools, here you can find different automations related to Facebook comments, Instagram comments, and here Instagram story automations as well. Apart from that, you have other options like Facebook lead sets automation, drip campaigns, and other things too. But let's focus on the Instagram story automations right here. So let me open this one right here, and let me create a new one. So let me click on new, and let me say demo, and click continue. So this is regarding the Instagram story automation, and here you can actually make sure to track the story reply on specific stories or all stories as well. So you can actually use the all stories option so that it will simply work on the past stories and the future ones as well. So you don't need to build automations again and again, because here you have the option to set a specific keyword as well. So if you set a specific keyword for all stories, then it will work only if they send a specific keyword. So instead of choosing a specific story right here, you can actually use this all stories option, which is easier, and you don't need to again touch this automation again as well. So here you can actually reply with a specific text message when they reply with a specific keyword right there. So for example, here this is the Instagram test story we have posted right here. It says test story 1, DM ebook to get the free copy right away. So it simply says ask them to DM the specific keyword ebook to get the specific free ebook copy. So here let me close this one. All right, so here user replies equal to the keyword, which is ebook. So that was the keyword we set up in the stories over there. And here you can simply add any sort of message you want right here. For example, let's say, hey there, thanks for your interest in the free ebook. Please go to this link to access the ebook right away. And here you can easily add the specific link right away as well. So you can easily upload the ebook in Google Drive or iCloud Drive and simply share the specific link right there as well. So this will be sent as a single message to the customers, and this is the easiest ways to build the Instagram stories automation as a complete beginner. But you can even choose a specific flow as well. I will show that in a minute, but let's try this first and see how this actually works. So all stories, this is the message I want to send, and it says ebook is the keyword. All right, click save. So this is the automation I just created. So here let me share my phone screen over here, and let me go to the Instagram stories right here and DM the specific keyword ebook, and let's see what happens. So I have sent the message. So here we receive the message. It says thanks for your interest in the free ebook. Please go to this link to access the ebook right away. So this is the address, so they can also click this address and visit the specific ebook or website link right away as well. So this is the very easy way right here. But if you want to collect specific customer details before providing the ebook link, and if you want to make sure they are actually following your Instagram account, you can actually do that as well before sharing the ebook link as well. For example, let me deactivate this one over here, and here we have actually used the specific text option right here. Instead, you can actually use the flow option and make sure they follow your account, and also they provide the email address before they access the ebook as well. So let's see how to achieve this one right here. So you can actually go to the flows option and create any sort of flows as you like. So for this specific example, I'm going to use the free template over there. So go to all free templates, and let me use this option, get more Instagram followers and leads template. So this is a template. So you can actually make a duplicate of this one, so you can actually keep the original story as it is. So here this is a duplicate, so let me rename this one as IG stories demo. All right, so that was the duplicate, so let me rename this one. Click continue. So let me open this one and see what we have here. So it says thanks for your hey first name. I have put a free ebook full of practical tips and ask them to tap the button get my free ebook. And here it simply check or update the contact data. So here in Instagram you have this update contact data, so that will check whether they actually the current status of their Instagram account, and then we have the condition to check the follows the Instagram account or not. So if they are not following, it simply says this is not you are not following, this ebook is only for the specific people who actually follow this account, and then ask them to follow them before they actually move to the next steps right here. All right, so here when they say I'm following now, it will say hang tight a second, let me check if you are following us. Again, it simply update the contact data and check the following or not. If they are following your Instagram account, it will simply ask them to provide the email address as well, and then we collect the email address and then provide the access to the ebook. So since we have actually collected the email address right here, you can also send emails within the platform as well. So here they are also sending the email as well. So here you can use this send email option to send the emails as well, and here you can also send follow-ups as well. Wait 23 hours and then simply send a follow-up message asking whether they actually check the ebook or not. So this is how the whole flow looks like, which is more advanced, where we actually check whether they're actually following your Instagram account and also ask for the email address to provide the ebook as well, and then send the email and also follow-up message as well. All right, so let's make sure this is published, and this is the flow IG stories demo. All right, so let me go back to the marketing tools over here, Instagram story automations. So this was the previous one we created, so we can actually make the changes in the same right there as well. So this one, instead of replying with the text, you have to simply choose the flow, which is IG stories demo get more Instagram followers and leads. So this was the specific flow name, as you can see here, IG stories demo get more Instagram followers and leads. So we can set up that specific flow when they send the keyword ebook. All right, click save. So this has been saved, and make sure to activate this one as well. And let me share my phone screen over here and see what happens over here. So here this is the Instagram right there. So let me go to the demo Chatic Media icon profile, and let me open the Instagram stories, same story right here, and let me send the same keyword again, but this time we actually make changes in the automation. So now it should simply send this specific flow for them. Let's see what happens over here. So here we receive the message. It says, hey Robert, I have put the free ebook, and here they have to tap on this button, and let's see what happens. So if I am following this account, it will move forward and ask me for the email address. Otherwise it will simply ask them to follow this account. So it says awesome, so I'm actually following this account. So let's see. Yes, I'm following this account. So it simply move forward and ask for the email address right here. So let me provide the email right here, media@gmail.com. all right, and now it will simply provide them access the free ebook right away, and also will send them the email as well. So here perfect, and here's your ebook, and also wait 8 seconds and then send this message as well, and then it's simply send this message as well. So at this point they have actually received this specific email as well. So let's test if they have actually received an email in the subject, your free Instagram growth ebook is here, those kind of things. So here let me share my phone screen and show you the email I just received. So here it says your free Instagram growth ebook is here. This is the email I set up, download now, simple as that. And again in 23 hours they will receive the follow-up as well. So if you go to the unified inbox, you can track all these conversation happened. So inbox, this is from Instagram, but you can check conversation from other channels too. So here it shows all the details from the customer, their email address as well. From this unified inbox, agent can easily send any sort of messages and talk with the customer as well. And that's a quick video on how you can actually build automations powered by Instagram stories. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.